Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about the Appearance tab on WordPress dashboard. Each and everything on inside the Appearance tab. So you need a WordPress website and you have to log in into your dashboard with your admin user ID, your admin profile. Like I am already logged in with my admin user ID. So, so we will going to learn each and everything about Appearance tab. So, okay. So basically, Appearance tab is all about how your website will look. Okay, in the front on the front end. For example, right now our website is looking something like this. Okay, something like this in the front end. Okay, so I can uh, customize it with the help of Appearance. Okay, let's close this thing. So I already covered a video on this theme. I made a video. So if you have not yet watched that video, make sure to watch that video before watching this video. So I will be giving a link over here. So go there and watch that video first. Okay. So we will be starting with directly with Customize. Okay. So we will be opening it into a new tab. Okay, so basically what is customization? Customize will help you to customize the look of your website. Okay, so for example, right now I'm using 2020 theme. So they do have this many options. But when you use different themes like Generate Press or maybe SS Press or maybe Color Mag or maybe some other themes, you may get a different option here as well. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just start it. Yeah. So first we do have a site identity. So basically site identity consists of the logo, the title and the tagline. Okay, as well as the site icon. Site icon is the favicon you see here, like this WordPress you can see here. Okay, so you can select the logo, you can select anything. Like I will select just a logo very fast. So just selecting maybe this logo. Okay, so I will not crop, I will use the whole landscape. Okay, okay. So I used my logo. So right now I do have a title as well as the tagline. Okay, okay. So I don't want to use the you can like use this title, but don't use tagline because it is showing here. I don't want to show tagline because it is like not what we it is not aligned with this my logo. So uh, I will just not enter anything over here in the tagline section. And Shubham Singh is Shubham Singh was the title. It will help in the search engine optimization. Okay, so you can choose the icon. I will choose a favicon. It's also called favicon. So I will choose the square shape. Yeah, you can see that's the favicon. So now you can see that this website is showing the favicon. Okay, so if you want to publish it, you can publish it and it will just save all the changes which you made. So I will go forward, and what you can do is you can save draft as well. Okay, and you can schedule it as well. So I will go and publish it. I will come backward, and after site identity there is colors. So in colors you can change the color scheme. Like you can see the color which is using on a present basis is this thing. Okay, if you want to use something else you can use that also. Like I have used this, but it's not great, but kind of I'm just showing you. So the header footer background, the header is this thing and the footer is all this thing. So you can change the color of header footer as well. Okay, so you can change the color. So it's I think it's very much fine with orange or maybe. go to the white only. So you're not doing anything. You can use the primary color also. Okay. So like, you can see the uncategorized and the what you can see it here. The search color is changing. So you can do it according to yourself. So I am just selecting anything and I'm publishing it. Okay. I'm going backward again. So right now we have done with site identity colors and right now theme option. So you do have an option. So search in a header. If you just uncheck it, it will just where it form. It will be coming here. So yeah, search. So you can just make this thing appear and disappear the search bar. You can show the author bio. Like I don't have a bio, so it is not showing anything. But if you show author bio, if I written anything in my bio, it will be shown here. On archive page, on archive pages, post show full text summary. So you can choose like if you want full text of your blog to be present over the page of the blog or the blog section. Blog section is a collection of articles in it. Okay, so you may choose to show like whole article or just a piece of article like the first paragraph. So it's always beneficial to choose summary. So I will go and publish it. Going backward again, then we start identity colors theme option, cover template. Setting for the cover template page, add a featured image to use background, fixed background image. You can also change the background image. I will show you later, like in this video. So you can again you can select the fixed background image or you can like create a color system. Okay, it's fixed the background. Okay, the image will be strict, image will be fixed and it will be scrolling. Okay, it will not move, the image will not, the background image will not move with your scrolling. Okay, so I will just leave it to default overlay background color, dark color, which is the overlay for the background color. You can use different color. So I'm not seeing any change. Okay, whatever overlay text color, you can choose your text color. Okay, leaving it back to what it was. You can change the overlay opacity. Opacity means the transparency. So I will not be doing anything, I will be going backward. Right now I will be going with background image. You do have an option to choose background. I will choose the background image. Just a second, I will go to downloads and I will search for some background which I downloaded in the past. Let's use something which is, I don't know, maybe, okay, we will be using this as a background image. Let's see. So it will upload it and you have to just choose image. Okay, it may take some time because it is kind of large size file. Okay, so you have to choose image and now you can see that the background is changed to this image. You can choose where the which portion of the image should be your background. Currently I am selecting the middle one. You can select the upper one, the left corner, the right corner, the left side, the uh, sorry, the right side, the right lower corner, the lower corner, the left lower corner, the left corner. You can even choose it, but I usually go with the middle one. You can choose the image which original, fit to screen, full screen. Go with I usually go with original. So just choose custom fit to screen. Okay, no, it is not showing good. So it's defaultly fine for me. Okay, yeah. So this is a background image. So I will not be fishing with this background image. Menus is a bad. Okay, so menus is a so it's need a dedicated video, but I will try to cover this in cover this menu in this video if possible. I may try to cover menu within this video. If not, I will make a new video on menu. So you can see all the option like where you can embed a menu. For example, this theme support desktop horizontal menu, desktop expanded menu, mobile menu, footer menu, social menu, and etc. Okay, so we will be showing you that in a bit. So for widgets is actually you can add widgets like so kind of a search bar, maybe a recent post, recent comment, maybe a Google Translate when you install Jetpack, and like they do have only two footer section, that is the footer one and footer two. That's it. So footer one is I think this all. Yeah, footer one is this all, and footer two is empty. I don't know why they have like kept all in the footer one. Maybe they were okay. So what I will do is I will just add some few. Okay, so you can see that there is not any kind of widgets over here in the footer two. So we will be going and adding something, maybe image. Which image? Just choose anything, and because I want to show you that where is it is. You can see it. So I will go and post for more, which is maybe the recent post. You can see it, and I will add one more widget, maybe okay, what can calendar, and yeah, you can see it. I'll be going forward and publishing it. So photo widgets is all about like how many widget area do your what we can theme have. Like here we do have like only two footer section where you can footer section no, widget section where you can put widgets. Widget comes differently like a very we do have variety of widgets. When you install plugins like Jetpack, you will be getting more widgets. So the last but not the least is the additional CSS. You can add your CSS code. Okay, yeah. So that's all about the customize. Okay, so I what the width size of this video. The- okay, so it's already 12. It's already post 12. So what I will do is like just a second. I will just go with background and theme editor. Okay, and widgets. I will cover menu in the next video because if I try explaining it in the same video, the video will be very lengthy. Okay, so we are done with the customize. So I will show you widgets. So widgets is the same thing. Like you can see that you can like they do have two widget section, that is footer one and footer two. So you can go forward and you can like do like a drop down thing, a drop down, not drag and drop. So I will be going forward and bring categories in it, maybe pages in it, maybe recent post in it. Okay, so it's all your choice. You can do it by yourself. Okay, there's nothing much in this thing. Okay, so you can see that what are the inactive widgets, premium theme borders. You can clear inactive widgets. You can add all the widgets in your favorable area, favorable widget area. So yeah, you can also view manage with live preview. Like you can see it. This customize section which we were using previously is the live preview. Okay, so that's it with the widgets area. So menu will be going to cover in the next video. So we will move forward and okay, background. So background is the actually what the image which we selected for the background. This is the same thing. It will be going to customize section, going directly to yeah, that's it. Background. So we have done this thing. So we'll be closing this thing. Okay. Last one, but not the least, the theme editor. So basically, theme editor is actually you can edit the what you can the code of the theme. Okay, you can see the heads up. You appear to be making direct edit to your theme in WordPress dashboard. We recommend that you don't, if you don't have a programming knowledge, editing your theme directly could break the site, and your changes may be lost in future updates. If you need to tweak more than your theme CSS, you might want to try making a child theme. If you decide to go ahead with direct edit anyways, use a file manager to create a copy with a new name and hang onto the original. That way you can re-enable a functional version if something goes wrong. Okay, I understand, and this is how you can. This is actually the style sheet, style.css, the function.php, and all this necessary detail will be over here. For the 2020 theme, you can just select the theme from this drop down. If you have multiple themes selected, you will be getting a drop down of all the themes. You have to select the theme which you want to what we can say, edit. So yeah, so basically, if you are not a coder, you will not, you don't have to worry about this thing. Okay. And the thing which I missed in the plugin video, I didn't mention about anything about plugin editor. So I will be going forward and showing you the plugin editor as well. So we don't have any plugin installed. If we have any plugin installed, it will be shown the same way which we have seen in the themes. Okay. So yeah, that's it. If you have not seen this plugin video, make sure to watch that video. I will be giving a link over here. So with this, we have almost completed post, media, pages, appearance, theme, customized widgets, background, theme editor, plugins, user. So we will be creating a video on menus soon, later after this video, maybe most probably. And after that, we will be going forward with the last two, that's tools and the settings. Okay, and so we will be done with all the dashboard tabs. So I hope that you like this video, and make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and take care. Bye bye.